Oh no. Hey you guys, what's up? What's going on? It's Amber Higgins coming at you live. Oh goodness gracious. Why did I think this was a good idea? Okay, this is the most jankiest setup of all time. But we're live on TikTok and we're live on Facebook. So say hi. You guys are hopping on, say hello. Let me know where you guys are watching from. Tonight's live is going to be super quick because basically everything's almost already done. I just got to add some saucy sauce into my pan. But tonight I'm making keto chili. So I don't know if you guys like chili. If you guys do, y'all drop a yes in the comments below. Don't forget to let me know where you guys are watching from too. I love to see where these lives go. I think it's really cool. So let me know where you guys are watching from, and make sure you guys share the video for your chance to win this week's prize pack giveaway too. I do weekly giveaways where I give away free stuff, and all you have to do to be entered to win that is share the video. So keto chili is super simple. It's super easy. So what I have is I have ground beef in here. A whole thing of it, like probably, I don't know how much, I don't know. What's that from? Fort Worth, Texas. I love Texas, especially Frisco, Texas, and Dallas. Those are my go-tos. Oh my God, thank you, Jennifer, for the holiday stocking on TikTok. That's so sweet. Hi, Jessica. Hi, Samantha. Hey, Jennifer. What's good, Megan? Hey, from North Carolina. What's good from West Virginia? Hey, Marissa. All right, so have you guys shared the video? If you haven't, make sure you tap the arrow, share the video, comment, share whenever you're done. So I have ground beef. I put a half a cup of beef broth. So any kind of beef broth, this is the one that I used. And then what else did I do? I seasoned, so I'll go over the seasonings with you guys. I got some pink Himalayan salt, some black pepper. I used some smoked paprika. I also did almost a full thing of chili powder. Now, if you guys want the entire recipe, you guys can just drop a recipe in the comments below. This is bubbling, and it's probably going to get all over my jacket. Oh, well. I also did a little bit of garlic powder as well and chipotle chili powder. Now, I just, measured with my heart. But if you guys want the actual recipe, you guys can drop a recipe in the comments below. Jessie Lee is my mentor. Yep, you got it. The best in the world. She's the best, which makes me the best. So there we go. Say hi, say hello. If you guys want the recipe, you guys can drop a recipe in the comments below. I also, I forgot the tomato paste. What you looking at? The tomato paste?
You gotta spoon that out.
Oh, okay. Let me get a spoon real quick. I'm curious, you guys. Do you have silverware, or do you have gold silverware? I have gold. Well, we have silver and gold, but my favorite is the gold. All Things Crafty, what's up? Hi, Haley. Oh no, I just dropped that in there. Oopsie. I just now came across her and I'm stuck. Yeah, she's incredible for business and really just a lot of stuff. She's incredible. So, love her. Hi, Karen. Hey, Jeanette. Uh-oh. Sorry, TikTok. I've been doing too much bouncing, too much banging on the... Oh. Lord have mercy. This is just not my best live ever. Which, by the way, I created my own website. Did you guys know that? With my favorite cheat sheets and recipes that helped me lose 30 pounds of fat in 3 months. So if you guys want access to that, just drop recipes in the comments below and I will shoot you the link. If you're on TikTok, what you're going to have to do is go find me on Instagram. The link to my Instagram is in my profile. So you guys can go to my Instagram, follow me, and message me the word recipes over there, and I'll shoot you the link, okay? Hi, Clara. Say hi as you guys are hopping on. Say hello. Hi, Janet. Hey, Kristen. Hey, Karen. All right, so I just did my beef. I seasoned it. I have a half a cup of beef broth. I added a full thing of diced, zesty chili-style tomatoes. I did a little can of tomato paste, and then a full thing of crushed tomatoes. These are supposed to be diced, but I got the wrong one. So we're using crushed tomatoes this time, but that's okay. We're going to let this simmer for a little bit. And I also put half a chopped onion in here too. So do you guys like onions? Yes or no? Yes or no? Hey, Casey, if you want the recipes, you got to go follow me on Instagram, okay? So go follow me on Instagram, message me the word recipes on Instagram, and I'll shoot you the link, okay? If you're on Facebook, just drop recipes in the comments below. Hi, Catherine. Hey, Heidi. All right, so I told you guys this recipe is super easy, super simple. This live is going to be super short. So I'm done. This is going to simmer for a little bit, and then we're going to enjoy with some sour cream. Do you guys like sour cream on your chili? Y'all can let me know in the comments below. Just drop a yes or a no. I like mine with sour cream, but that's just me. Anyways, you guys, I love y'all. I appreciate y'all. If you haven't already shared the video, make sure you guys share my video. Also, you guys can share my posts too, my reels, my posts, my TikToks. Whatever you share gets you an entry into my giveaway. So y'all share the video, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye, you guys. Oh my God, Clara puts avocado.